Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be temporarily dyeing my hair platinum. So if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute, adorable accessories like these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I really cannot wait to try this hair paint wax. And I got mine in the color white. I haven't seen many people use this color, so I wanted to try it out for myself. In case y'all missed it, I already tried hair shadows. And I tried it in like a pinkish, grayish, purplish color. So I decided to go platinum with this one. And this time it came with lots and lots of products. So I feel like I have free reign to like basically turn my entire head platinum, and I'm so excited. Y'all know my hair is so thick. If y'all saw the last video, I just didn't even have enough to cover the entire thing. This one I have confidence that I'm going to be able to do so. I forgot how much it was, but it was super affordable. I just put it on the screen, and I believe I got this within a couple of weeks. Pretty much every picture or video I've seen with people using this hair paint wax, they've just applied it to their hair and then just let their hair, you know, they just did it in like a wash and go style, and I wanted to see how it would look in a twist out. I think I did see a couple of people do a twist out, so I'm just gonna do my hair how I normally do it, but just with color. I'm gonna be using Old Faithful Cantu. If y'all watch my channel, then y'all already know I use Cantu all the time. And then I'm gonna be using Mia Organics hair milk. I'm just gonna be mixing those together, and you know, to moisturize my hair. My hair is already damp. Once I do that, I'm just gonna take the color and apply it to that section. I'm just gonna comb through it to make sure it's detangled good. Okay, so now for the main event. I'm so excited. It says apply a moderate amount of wax to damp hair, then style as usual. It sounds easy enough. It looks really creamy, like just the color in general looks creamy. I was hoping it would give like a platinum feel, so we'll see. I kind of wish I would have just left my roots out of it. But anyway, I'm just going to twist my hair as usual. I wonder how this wax will perform, like as far as my curls go. Because usually when you use like beeswax or something like that, it just helps the curls to form even more. You know, I just thought about something. It's not going to matter about my roots. Once I untwist it, you're really probably not going to be able to see my roots. Like my hair literally looks like icicles, and then they're so stiff, so I feel like whenever they dry, my hair is going to be like super elongated. So I'm just gonna finish my hair real quick and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I finally finished, and really it just looked like I'm bleaching my hair. I really wish I would have just left my roots out of this, but here we are. Hopefully my hair covers them up. This did not do what I thought it would do. I mean, it is clearly white, but I thought it was going to like literally turn everything white. That's why I put it on my roots in the first place, and it just did not. Here are my hands, and I just wanted to show you how much I used pretty much the whole thing. I knew I would need all of it. This is wax, so I feel like these twists are going to be super defined. Now I'm trying to figure out, how am I going to sleep? I'm probably just going to wrap my hair up in like a t-shirt. Maybe just this t-shirt, like pull it up and then like have my hair inside of that. It pretty much got like everywhere, but it's easy to be rinsed out and washed off. So yeah, I'm not really worried about that. I'll see you tomorrow once it dries. Okay y'all, so this is my hair. It's completely dry. Y'all, it still looks like I just am perming my hair and it just got extremely platinum. I do like the color that I'm seeing, but I'm just excited to see how it looks all untwisted. So I'm just going to take them down and see how it looks. I knew it would give my hair definition, which I'm like really loving. The thing I'm not loving is, I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm getting white specks everywhere. And it's like literally everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see, it's like along my face. It's just like, it's like dandruff. It's like dandruff flying everywhere. And I don't know if it would do this if I would have just did it as a wash and go, but it's just like literal like white flakes flying everywhere. It's all over my hands. So I feel like if you do it this way, you will get transfer and you will get like if this were a different color, like say this were red, I would have like red specks all over me. But because it's white, you know, it's just like giving you a dandruffy kind of look. And you could definitely see it as I take the twist down. But I wanted to show y'all the definition. Like, look at that definition. Isn't that so cute? And then just the color itself is like, I love it. I don't know if y'all can see all that stuff falling. It's like millions of flakes everywhere. I'm going to pick my hair out at the roots because I want my roots to be hidden for the most part. I'm going to be really careful though because I don't want my hair to break. My hair isn't really hard or brittle, it just has like a stiffness. Okay y'all, so after I fluffed out my hair, I am really loving this color. Like, I'm loving it. It's like so platinum. I love that I actually get to try out this color because I've always wondered how my hair would look like platinum. And it's really cute, y'all. I really like it. The only thing I don't like is all of the fallout. Like, it's literally everywhere. I will show y'all my desk, but it's like a literal hot mess even before I did this. But it gets all over. If y'all can see, my hands have residue all over them. My neck had lots of residue. I had to dust a lot of it off. And I'm debating on whether I want to wear this out in public because I don't want all this white residue to be all over me and people think I have dandruff. So the hairstyle itself, like the color, I love the color payoff. It looks amazing. If you have black or brown or dark hair, y'all see how it looks on my roots, that I wouldn't get it if you have dark hair. If you already have like a little light tint to your hair, then I feel like it will just enhance. It's not that opaque. It's not gonna like completely cover any dark hair. I'm really happy with the results as far as how it looks. The look is gorgeous. And I know I'm gonna take some cute pictures with this, But as far as being functional, I don't know. I really haven't watched many videos of people that have done this, and so I really don't know how functional it is, especially the way I did it. So let me know what you guys think down below. Have y'all ever tried hair paint wax before? And if you have, what was your experience? And if you haven't, are you willing to try it? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.